Yun nga ang sinasabi ko. That's what I'm saying. Yun nga eh. Bakit ba? Exactly. Why so? Yun ba talaga ang dahilan? Is it really the reason? Yon ang gusto ko. That's what I want. Yun ang ayaw ko. That's what I don't like. Yun pala ang nangyari. So that's what's happened. Yun ang ibig mong sabihin? Is that what you mean? Yun lang naman. That's all. Yun ang narinig ko. That's what I heard. Yun ang nakita ko kahapon. That's what I saw yesterday. Yun ang sinabi niya sa akin. That's what he or she told me. Yan ang iniisip ko. That's what I'm thinking. Yun ang gusto nilang mangyari. That's what they want to happen. Yun ang plano namin. That's our plan. Yon ang pinili ko. That's what I choose. Yon ang pinakamaganda sa akin. That's best for me. Yon ang dapat gawin. That's what should be done. Yun nga ang punto ko. That's exactly my point. Ang hirap naman niyang intindihin. That's hard to understand. Kotse yon ng kaibigan ko. That's my friend's car. Yan ang paborito kong kanta. This is my favorite song. Yun ang kinagulat ko. That's what surprised me. Yan ba ang sinabi mo? Is that what you said? Yun ang una kong sinabi. That's the first thing I said. Yun ang sasabihin ko. That's what I'm going to say. Yun ang totoo. That's the truth. Yun ang importante. That's what's important. Yun ang gusto kong sabihin. That's what I want to say. Yun ang hindi ko makalimutan. That's what I can't forget. Ito ang pinakamasayang araw ko. This is my happiest day. Yon ang nakakatawa. That's funny. Yon ang nakakainis. That's annoying. Nararapat ba yon? Is it appropriate? Yon ang nakakalungkot. That's sad. Yon ang binili ko kahapon. That's what I bought yesterday. Yon ang regalo niya sa akin. That's his or her gift for me. Yon ang resulta. That's the result. Yon ang dapat tandaan. That's what should be remembered. Yon ang sinabi ng guro. That's what the teacher said. Yon ang pangarap ko. That's my dream. Yon ang pangarap naming lahat. That's our dream. Yon ang layunin ko. That's my goal. Yon ang gusto kong makuha. That's what I want to get. Yon ang dapat mong subukan. That's what you should try. Yan ang gusto nilang makita. That's what I want to see. Yon ang magandang balita. That's the good news. Yon ang masamang balita. That's the bad news. Yun ba ang bahay nila? Is that their house? Yon ang madalas kong puntahan. That's where I often go. Yon ang hindi ko gusto roon. That's what I don't like there. Yon ang dahilan ba't ako bumalik. That's the reason why I came back. Yon ang lagi kong iniisip. That's why I always think about. Yan ang gusto niyang kunin. That's what he or she wants to get. Yon ang pag-uusapan natin. That's what we're going to discuss. Yon ang gusto kong malaman. That's what I want to know. Yan pala ang sikreto mo. So that's your secret. Yan pala ang hinahanap natin. So that's what we're looking for. Yun pala ang sagot. So that's the answer. Alam mong yon ang tama. You know that it's true. Alam mong yon ang mali. You know that it is wrong. Iyon ang napansin ko. That's what I noticed. Yon ang gusto kong marinig. That's what I want to hear. Yon ang hindi ko gustong marinig. That's what I don't want to hear. Yun ba ang napag-usapan nyo? Is that what you talked about? Yan ang ikinabahala ko. That's what I'm worried about. Yun ba ang gusto mong sabihin? Is that what you want to say? Yon ang nagpapasaya sa akin. That's what makes me happy. Basta iyon na yon. That's it. Yon ang una kong napansin. That's the first thing I've noticed. Iyon ang alam mo. That's what you know. Iyon ang alam ko. That's what I know. Iyon ang hindi ko alam. That's what I do not know. Iyon ang payo niya sa akin. That's his or her advice to me. Iyon ang tatandaan natin. That's what we should remember. Iyon ang ikinatutuwa nila. That's what makes them happy. Yon ang hindi ko napansin. That's what I didn't notice. Yon ang gusto kong itanong. That's what I want to ask. Yon ang inaabangan ko. That's what I'm looking forward to. Yan ang gusto kong bilhin. That's what I want to buy. Yon ang dapat mong iwasan. That's what you should avoid. Yon ang gusto kong matutunan. That's what I want to learn. Yan ang ayaw ko sa kanya. That's what I don't like about him or her. Yan ang babaguhin ko. That's what I'm going to change. Yan ang tatalakayin natin. That's what we're going to discuss.